guys, welcome back to the Dirt and Boogers YouTube channel. So today we are going on an awesome stroll in the woods, and this is our yard. So yeah, let's go.
Okay, so we are going this way.
We are going on a walk with Scratch Doodle, our kitten.
But he might fall in the water.
No, he won't. Cats have very good balance.
Yeah, and cats can land on my feet.
Yeah, cats have 9 lives. We can see the beautiful flowers that grow.
Yeah, because it is April, so.
It's April. Yesterday was April Fool's Day. My mom played a awesome prank on us.
She said that we had school cards.
It was like 6:30 in the morning. My mom woke us up. She's like, guys, it's time for school.
But we homeschool.
Like,
Because
coronavirus.
Yeah. And then she's like, no, I just got a call this morning that we're back in school.
Then I'm like, why are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm like, no,
Then
it's
she did
an April Fool's prank. We played some pranks last night, so it's got to be an April Fool's prank.
Yeah. So this is where the zip line is.
Oh, deer was here. Deer was here.
Yeah, there are deer tracks.
Yeah. So we have a huge woods, so that's why we're walking it. And Violet, do you know if we're going in that loop?
That loop? We can.
Okay, yeah.
We're going down the sandy trail.
Yeah. It's really hard to drive like dirt bikes.
Yeah. Well, two-wheelers. Like I drive a two-wheeler, and it's hard because two-wheelers, they don't really balance in the sand.
Yeah.
And I'm riding a kid one because I can't run an adult one.
Because you're still a kid.
I'm still a kid.
But the regular like three-wheelers and four-wheelers are easy.
Here's the fireplace. And we have awesome bonfires
And we also have to collect the rocks and like put them
around the perimeter.
Yeah, me, Violet, and our mom did it. So
Now, you keeping up?
now we're going on this sand trail.
This is the sand trail.
And
It's kind of a little muddy because it's rained the past couple of days.
2 days, past 2 days.
Past 2 days.
And it's really crusty, but I don't think there's any water.
I don't see any water puddles.
But it's just muddy and really crusty. And it kind of looks like a dam.
Ew,
Yeah.
okay. Well,
It's not watery that much. It's just a little watery
just
sand.
a little muddy. We call it peanut butter because it's the texture of peanut butter, really sticky. And it also, it's the shade of some peanut butter.
And it's crunchy peanut butter because of rocks and
Yeah.
stick.
So if you have been wondering, these that are growing all around, these are bluebells. One of my favorites. I'll try to find an oh, here's one.
My favorite is an iris because it's iris.
These are what bluebells look like.
My favorite flowers are irises. Hers are violets because her name's Violet.
Well, I like how violets look, but they're not my favorite. I like sunflowers.
My favorites are irises.
Well, we made it out.
I
Yeah.
think the video's over, right?
Yeah. So, Nash, Iris, what do you got to say?
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching.